My life at the time that I decided to go to the doctors was incredibly busy. I just worked 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and was very rarely not on a plane to a different continent once every couple of weeks. And then I had this feeling there was something wrong, and I went and got the biopsy. And the morning that I went to see my doctor to get the result, it was just something I never thought I'd experience. To be told you've got serious cancer after being well for all of your life, which I had been, was a shock to the system. And I remember driving back from the surgery, and I'm not even sure I seen another car on the road, though I did try and concentrate, but my mind was just completely gone. It was a heck of an experience to start with, not a good one. The horror stories of people having the treatment for cancer did scare me. And the times that people would be sitting around in hospitals for 4 or 5 hours waiting for things. My first home care, I didn't really know what to expect, but I ended up completely gobsmacked by how good it was. Nurse came in, the nurse gave me the treatment, the nurse went off, and I'm still sitting in my own house and my treatment's done. And that makes a massive, massive difference. And Claire's been coming now for at least 5 years, and she's now my personal nurse and my personal friend and part of the family. If I was having to go for hospital treatment, then it would put a tremendous strain on my wife, because she would have to drive me there and drive me back. You know, a trip to the hospital for chemotherapy is really an all-day thing, where the difference now is that the doorbell rings, Claire comes in, I have my treatment, Claire goes off to her next task, and my treatment's finished, without all of that inconvenience on me or the inconvenience on my wife as well. The roads around here are very narrow, and when we do get bad weather, the snow lies and it can be difficult. One thing that Lloyds have always promised is they will get to me, no matter how or when, and so far that's been the case. And just 3 weeks ago, on my last treatment, we got the heaviest snow we've had for about 5 years, and but Claire got here. She managed to get through it when lots of people were in abandoned cars and motorways and everything were closed, but she got here. So Lloyds kept their promise, and I'm sure they always will. I think the beauty of home care is having instant access to Claire or anyone else in the team should Claire not be available. If I'm feeling particularly vulnerable or not quite with it, I can just pick the phone up to Claire and have a chat, and she'll recommend for me to do whatever is necessary, and that's a massive difference. It's having someone at the end of a phone instantly to be able to talk to is very reassuring. Having cancer is a fairly traumatic experience, and what Lloyds do in providing home care has helped me so much as a person. Anyone who has the ability to have home treatment, I cannot recommend highly enough.